Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the status of your document or diagram inside your account on Lucidchart. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to the home section inside your Lucidchart account, or you may go or head over to documents. Now here on your home section you will see the section recent documents. So you may choose your layout here or view, like list view or grid view, and after that go through diagrams here. Now if you'd like to change the status of one of them, for example mark it as closed or in progress, click into these three dots here, more options. From that menu, what you want to do guys is hover your mouse over file information, here to the right select edit status and select status to the right, like complete or rejected, no status, approved. So let me go with draft because that document is a draft. And that's basically it. You can do the same with any other document. And there you go guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.